Introducing the Marshalltown 1-gallon can carrier, the smart way to handle heavy paint cans. The 1-gallon can carrier is easy to attach. Slide the carrier underneath the wire handle. Then slip the wire into the notch on the carrier. Rotate the carrier back to snap it in place. Attach the Velcro strap around the bottom to secure the carrier to the can. Remove the lid and you're ready to paint. The soft grip handle is ergonomic and comfortable, which helps reduce fatigue. The handle also acts as a pail hook while working from a ladder. And the built-in magnet will store a loaded paintbrush over the mouth of the can, so it stays clean and ready to go. The carrier fits any standard 1-gallon plastic or metal paint can. The Marshalltown 1-gallon can carrier is your new versatile helper, ready to go with every gallon of paint.